Moving on to our sustainability and environment, which is sponsored by CFE, and I'd like to invite up Bruno Lambrecht to hand this award out. Bruno, come join us on stage.
And on the shortlist we have EuropaProperty, Decent Chemicals, CEE Europe, Signify, and RECARO.
So Bruno, thank you for sponsoring this award. Hi, how are you? And please read out the winner for us.
Good evening, everybody. So, the winner is RECARO.
So congratulations, and have a look at our... So congratulations, and please feel free to say a few words here.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Greg and the team, for a great evening. Thank you, jury, for voting for us. Thanks to the whole team, which is sitting down the background, and thanks to all the 300 employees working day by day in achieving the results that we have achieved throughout the time. Have a nice evening. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. Bruno, thank you for